Bluetooth occurs or communicates through radio wave. A computer keyboard has at least how many keys? Correct answer is 101. Voicemail, email, online service, the internet, and the www are all examples of telecommuting. Telecommuting means working from home and communicating with office by computer, telephone, the internet, and other communication technology. Those who engage in telecommuting are referred to as telecommuters. An email address is composed of two parts. A valid email address is composed of two parts, a username and a domain name. The username comes at first, then @ sign, and then the domain name. The position of India in online market in the world is second position. Banker's algorithm is a method to prevent the deadlock condition. CorelDRAW is a popular illustration program. A program that performs a useful task while simultaneously allowing destructive acts is a Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a computer program that has been deliberately designed to destroy information. It seems to be an ordinary program, but it can allow someone to steal data or destroy information. Large transactions processing systems in automated organizations use batch processing. Batch processing is the method computers use to periodically complete high volume repetitive data jobs. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. Which of the memory has the shortest access time? Correct answer is Cache memory. What type of computers are client computers? Most of the time, in a client server system. Correct answer is microcomputer. What is the most common tool used to restrict access to a computer system? Correct answer is passwords. A scrambling of code is known as encryption. A scrambling of code is known as encryption. Encryption is the process of converting information or data into a code, especially to prevent unauthorized access. Encryption is a way to scramble data so that only authorized parties can unscramble it. Who used punched cards practically for the first time in the history of computers? Correct answer is Dr. Herman Hollerith. The term GIGO, is related to which characteristics of computers? Correct answer is accuracy. Garbage in, garbage out. GIGO. GIGO simply means that the output a system produces depends on the input it receives. If you put garbage in, chances are high that you will get garbage out. This fact holds even if the program's logic is accurate. So, GIGO is related to accuracy of output, which in turn is dependent on the accuracy of inputs. Which of the following unit hold data temporarily? Primary memory unit. One nibble equals to 4 bits. In computing and digital technology, one nibble is 4 consecutive binary digits or half of an 8-bit byte. The term is used to describe a small unit of information for data transmission and storage. Which of the following is or are considered to be video component? Correct answer is all. Resolution, color depth, and refresh rate. All are considered to be video component. Human beings are referred to as Homo sapiens. Which device is called Silico sapiens? Correct answer is Robo. Barcodes store information using thick and thin lines. GUI is the abbreviation of Graphical User Interface. A web tool that consists of a searchable data of websites is called search engine. Google, Yahoo, Bing, Baidu, DuckDuckGo are popular search engines. Google is one of the most used search engines worldwide that is used with Chrome browser. So almost everyone is familiar with it. CAD CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Please watch shorts videos also for books and authors section.